How to log into Breezy HR account. If you're looking to log into your Breezy HR account, you've come to the right place. Breezy HR is a great platform for managing recruitment and HR tasks, and today I'll walk you through how to sign into your account in just a few easy steps. Alright, first things first, open your browser and head to the Breezy HR website. You can do that by simply typing www.breezy.hr. Once you're on the Breezy homepage, look for the sign in button. You'll find it typically at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on the three horizontal bars, and here you can find an option that says sign in. Simply tap on it. Now, as you can see, to log into Breezy, you need to enter your company email address and password. Simply enter it. If you want an easier access, you can simply log in via your Google account, LinkedIn account, or Microsoft account as well. And if you've forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password and reset it as well. And there you go. You're now logged into Breezy HR account and ready to manage all the recruitment process from job posting to candidate management and more.